Of course, if I were you, I wouldn't sleep on them. Of course, if you just look for how you can make online from books, free books you can get from amazing golden mines. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can get these free books from unknown and untold amazing sources, how you can take advantage of these books to make money online in different ways and different income systems. So first of all, in this video, let me show you the best websites to get free books. Yes, completely for free, free of charge, to get these amazing books you want. The first website for sure, that's just by going to this website, that is Ocean of PDF. Yes, it's like an ocean of huge amounts of these PDFs, books, magazines, as you want here in this awesome website. Here, just by going Ocean of PDF, at first glance here you can find in this homepage these categories are waiting for you, like new releases, genres. Here you can find romantic, fiction, non-fiction as you want. Listopia, here you can find amazing lists here ready for you to navigate, like to discover like lists of the a specific year, a specific genre as you want, author, and so on. Authors, languages, you can find many of these languages you can look for to read about it in these books, like Arabic, English, Spanish, Portuguese, English as you want, Russian, magazines and newspapers, web novels, requests, and much more. So here you can find this Ocean PDF website is welcoming you with these categories. Or even better, you can search for any book you want, or even you can type here your keyword. So for example, in my mind now, I just type something like prisoner. Okay, and just in a few seconds here you can find a huge list of these books and different years here that contains this specific keyword prisoner. As you see here, like prisoner 88 and prisoner something, new prisoners, his prisoner, and so on and so forth, and many of these pages. So for example here, if you click over just one of these books like his prisoner here, you can find this summary of this book, and down below you can find two options to get this book completely for free, either in a PDF file or EPUB file. Here it's awesome website here to get any book you can think of in any niche, in any field, in any topic. Yes, Ocean of PDF, the first website here in your list. And of course you can find all these links down in the first comment and description box. And the second website you can just rely on to get free books, you can head over to this website, that is web.st, welib.st. It's like a treasure trove of books. Here you can find a full database that contains of over 40 million books, papers, magazines, and comics, and so on. And the second side, that is academic papers, as you observe. Here you can find the first block here. At first glance, you can find the most popular books here, like Secrets of Divine Love and so on, The Power of Now, and many of these topics and niches as you observe. And for sure here, if you observe, you can find for all of these books here options to listen this book. Here it's rarely to find this option for free in a free website, for free in a website here, like listen this book as you want as an audiobook. Here you can read it directly, live reading, or you can download this book completely for free to your device, as you see. Perfect, amazing website to just get huge amounts of these books as you like in different release years. So for example, if I can look for something like I just want to search for like a title, author, like ISBN from Amazon and so on, so I can look for something like comics, for example. So I can type comics, and here, if you're just a fan of these comics, here you can find huge amounts and over hundreds of these comics as you want. And even better, you can find in the left panel here how you can refine these results based on the content. It could be like book, fiction, non-fiction, magazine, comic book and so on, or even the file type to download this book, PDF, MOPI, CPR, or even language. Here you can get your own book in your favorite language, English, Spanish, Portuguese, Arabic, as you want. Perfect. Okay, awesome, isn't it? So you can get one of these books as you like, and for sure you can find also these options to download this book completely for free. And the third website here, get ready for it. This website is opoco.com. opoco.com. Here you can find huge amounts of these books, especially in romantic and fiction genres. Here you can find 10,000s or even 100,000s of these books as you see for free for these popular categories. Okay, so you can look for one of these books by searching, or you can get one like this one, for example, randomly, and then you can download this book as a PDF to your device free of charge. So here you find 3 amazing golden mine sources, golden mines to get your books for free. So now, Riemann, in the second section of this video, how you can take advantage of these books. If I just download some books I'm interested in, how you can monetize these books and how to make my own income system. For sure, I am not going to tell you you've got to summarize this book and give this book for free and so on. It's for sure, it's old method, old strategy. Most of you know about it. But here, how you can actually take and convert this book professionally to income system. The first one here, just you can download some books from these websites as you want in different genres. And here you can actually grasp the idea and read this book. Yes, read this book, for God's sake. Here, if you just want to read this book here, you can convert these books to beautiful core content view. Yes, you heard that right. You can convert these books you read to beautiful content you can provide and present on different channels, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, as you want, and show yourself as an expert and an educated person to deliver some messages and some ideas around this book as you want, for sure. And believe me, many people love and believe in this person who recommends these books and talk about them professionally, wisely, and for sure with a great level. So here you can use these books you downloaded for free to beautiful content for you as a video, podcast, posts, articles, as you want. The limit your sky. So the first way, you can convert these books as you want to beautiful content. And the second one, you can convert these books and its content to beautiful digital items, even, and you can provide for free to get more traffic to your store, your website, as you want, or you can sell these generated digital items to make money. And of course, you can just split these books to different chapters, to different parts as you want, and convert each to beautiful mind map, podcast, or audio overview, video overview, carousel post, as you want. For sure, you can do that easily and simply just by using free tools as well. Just by using, for sure, Notebook.LM. Here you can go and sign up for free, and here you can use Notebook.LM to convert these books to beautiful income assets. Like this one, for example, you can just get a paste copy of a symbol, a specific part of your book. Okay, and then set here as a source, for example, copy a text and convert this text to beautiful assets and outputs like audio overview, slide deck, video overview, mind map, flashcards, reports, infographic, and so on. So here you can find many of these ways to just convert this book to beautiful digestible formats. Here you can convert to audio overview and video overview. It's like a video you can upload directly to a TikTok account or YouTube as your content, as I said earlier, or mind map to get more traffic, or a digital item or a guide here, presentation. You can sell at sales sell that as a paid tool, a paid digital item, or a free paid to get more traffic, to make you build your own email list as you want, flashcards, infographics as you see. So here you can actually convert these books you got from different amazing websites to beautiful income system professionally and wisely in 2026, just by converting to content like video or a podcast with your friend or something like that, or a digital item, or different formats of digital items. And of course you can find, in order not to elongate more in this video, you can find other ideas here down below in the first comment and description box, alongside with these links of these websites I just mentioned earlier. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.